Welcome to New York City, a place where dreams rise as fast as the skyscrapers. From above, the city looks almost unreal, a massive island of steel, lights, and endless motion. But long before the modern skyline existed, this city was known as New Amsterdam, a small Dutch settlement that would eventually grow into one of the most powerful cities on Earth. As New York expanded, planners designed Manhattan's famous grid system in 1811, creating the perfectly organized streets that millions of people navigate every single day. And nowhere captures New York's nonstop energy better than Times Square, where giant digital billboards light up the night so brightly they can reportedly be seen from space. Towering above the city is the legendary Empire State Building, and what makes it even more incredible is that this massive skyscraper was built in only 410 days during the Great Depression. Surrounded by all this concrete and glass sits Central Park, a gigantic man-made oasis filled with forests, lakes, bridges, and hidden pathways stretching across 843 acres. And standing proudly at the entrance of New York Harbor is the Statue of Liberty. When it first arrived from France in 1886, the statue was actually copper brown before slowly turning green over time. Beneath the streets, another world is constantly moving. New York's subway system runs 24 hours a day, carrying millions of passengers through one of the busiest transit networks on the planet. And deep in the financial district lies Wall Street, where decisions made inside just a few buildings can send shockwaves through economies across the entire world. Connecting Manhattan and Brooklyn is the iconic Brooklyn Bridge. When it opened in 1883, many believed a bridge this massive could never survive the East River's powerful currents. That diversity is what truly gives New York its soul. More than 700 languages are spoken here, making this one of the most culturally diverse cities anywhere on Earth. And as night falls, New York transforms once again into a glowing ocean of light, ambition, and endless movement. A city that never truly sleeps.